Today I'm going to create this makeup look using again my Dream Street palette. I know these videos can be a little bit boring because I'm using the same products over and over again, but you have to understand that this is new to me, so I want to use it as much as I can until I get a new palette and get bored of this. So yeah, I did had a few issues with this palette. I don't want to be mean, I love the palette, I love Kathleen, but I guess you'll see that in the video if you're going to watch the video, of course. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this half cut crease, I don't know how I'm going to name this yet, using warm tones, I guess, I don't know, then please keep watching. First, I'm starting with the shade Magical, and that will be my transition shade, and then I'm going with Spark, and I'm focusing that mostly in my outer corner of the lid, but also I'm going to apply that in my crease as well. Next, I'm going with the shade Potion, and again I'm focusing that mostly on the outer corner of my lid. Then I'm going with the shade Elfish, and I'm going to darken even more that outer corner. To create that cut crease effect, I'm going to use some concealer, and then I'm going to apply the shade Moony right on top of that concealer. To buff out those edges, I'm going again with Potion and Elfish. Then I'm going with Illusion, and this is a pinkish purpley highlight, and I'm going to apply that right on top where I applied Moony. Don't forget to buff out those edges, and for my bottom lash line, I'm starting with Potion. Oh my god! Then I'm going with Spark and Elfish, and basically I'm doing the exact same steps I did on my crease. Alright, so before I apply my lashes, I wanted to say something very quick, and oh my god, look at my hair. Anyway, I layered these three colors together and they went smooth, they blended perfectly, I didn't have any issues. But when I got to this color, this is Elfish, this went patchy on my eyes. This blended nice, but when I tried to build the color, this went patchy. The color is gorgeous, but the formula is patchy. I have to say that, okay? So yeah, I don't want to sound mean, I don't want to be mean. I love this palette so far. All the colors are gorgeous, they blend very easy, they are pigmented. Kathleen, you did an amazing job, but this, I don't know, maybe I got a bad one. I love the shade of this, but the formula is just patchy. So yeah, I don't want to upset anyone, but this is my truth. So yeah, I wanted to tell you guys because maybe on camera it looked perfect, doesn't look patchy, or I don't know. When I'm going to edit this video, I'm going to see if this looks patchy or not, but I'm going to do close-up. So yeah, I don't want to upset anyone because I love Kathleen. And I love this palette as well. So alright, so you can totally see that this is patchy, okay? It's not just me. I'm not crazy, okay? So it seems like here is missing some color, and around here is a little bit darker. I tried to build the color without blending too much, but no, it doesn't work. And on my right side, the same problem. So I'm not crazy. Maybe I don't know how to use this eyeshadow, but I don't know, I didn't have any issues with the other eyeshadows. It's just this one, the elfish color. But I'm going to go with this look anyway because I really like the eyeshadows. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that not everything is perfect around here. So I don't know if you remember, but when I first used this palette when I created my first makeup look with this palette, I also used this color, and I said in the video that my makeup, it looks a little bit patchy and I had a few issues, and I didn't know exactly what happened because it was my first time trying this palette. So yeah, now I know it was because of this eyeshadow. So yeah, that's that. Don't hate me, okay? I love this palette as much as you do if you have it, but I don't know, elfish seems to be a little bit too selfish to work for me. I don't know, okay? Off camera, I applied my falsies, and for my blush, I'm using my classic blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and my highlight is also from BH Cosmetics. I mean, what's new, right? To finish this makeup look, I'm going to apply Aquarius 2, and this is a ultra matte lipstick. Guys, you have to follow me on Twitter. So yesterday I posted a picture from my previous video that I recreated Kathleen's makeup look. So I posted that on Twitter, and of course I had to tag her because I would like her to see my work, you know what I mean? So she saw my picture. Oh my god, I was literally in tears. So she saw my picture and she retweeted my post, I guess, and everything went wild after that. So yeah, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Follow me everywhere. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. These lashes are super curled. See?